up. 50%. Time remaining 3 minutes. G limit disengaged.
I gotta find how you get that aura to put in trim.
Time remains 50%. 50%. 50%.
I was convinced it was going to be foggy this morning.
Zero throttle. 25. Zero throttle.
There we go. Clear.
25%. 10, 9, 0, 25, 8, 0 throttle. Throttle cut off. 25%. 0 throttle. 25%. 0 throttle. 25%. 0 throttle. Gear up. 50%. Minus 1 minute, land immediately. Respect the timer.
Uh-oh.
Pull up my FR Sky X20 tandem. Like I don't fly the hand tossers with any stability
Zero
or nothing.
throttle.
Yeah, it looked like a no frills receiver.
25%, 50%.
It's a micro tandem receiver. It's actually pretty fun. And then I'm gonna try out that helicopter, see if everything's still set right. It's the Airwolf 450. Not my,
I know, I seen
I have
it.
a 600 Airwolf at home too.
25, 50%.
That one's got the H1 in it too.
Okay.
That one's already set up with the H1, but I got to do
25%.
sanding up because I had to part the way they did the upper to put the model in is a pain in the ass, so I parted it and made it a 2-piece. So,
Whoa, that was ugly.
so I've got to do some sanding and. But yeah, about 6:45, I sent him a picture. Like, this is what I'm working on. Got the UH-60
Time
on the
remaining 2
table.
minutes.
Got the side doors off, the missile pods off. You know, the cowls off the top because I'm playing with the.
Fairly docile.
That's actually a good glide going on. I just let it glide at that.
25%, 50%.
What's that booty?
5 for 50%.
Because he's a photographer. He does like nature photography, and he's got really good
25%,
cameras, prints and
50%.
everything. So
7, 6, 5, 0 throttle.
right. Oh.
Whoops, a little sloppy.
Those are so quiet. By the way, one thing I need to do is go to the beach and use my mic boat. Because I got that all set up now too. The ramp goes down, you got a tank you want to put on there? We can put it up. My Cessna. Actual catapult bungee with the anchor in my bag. Because I'm gonna build these so I can.
%. 50%. Time remaining 3 minutes.
Can't even tighten the freaking rotor head. The blades, I can't tighten the blades on it.
What size do you need?
2.5 millimeter.
50%. 25%. 50%. 50%. 30 seconds. 50%. 20 seconds. 50%. 0. 25%. 0. 25%. 0. 25%. 0. 25%. 0. 50%. Gear up. Time remaining 3 minutes. G limit disengaged. Time remaining 2 minutes.
Fred's when it's
G
tailgate.
limit disengaged. One minute. G limit disengaged. 0 throttle. 25%. 50%. Time remaining 37 seconds. Landing flaps. Gear up. 50%.
Yeah, that's why we went back around.
G limit disengaged. 0 throttle.
Definitely got a little bit of up on it.
50%.
Oh, I just about fell over.
Yeah.
I was trying to.
That's about the limit right there.
50%. 50%.
You can tell it's his go-to jet.
0 throttle. 50%. 50%.
The way it just falls.
Yeah.
Kind of gently over.
I wish T-33s fell
0
like that.
throttle.
They don't. They pitch over and fucking barrel dive.
25%. 50%. 0 throttle. 25%. 50%. 50%. 50%. 25%.
One thing I noticed about
50%. 0 throttle.
but I'm kind of glad I know that the head's good on that, and
Gear up.
he's bringing out the scissors.
50%. 50%.
You can try and get like 3
0
laps on him.
throttle.
Woo!
Whoa.
50 leveling.
That's, yeah, no, don't do that.
No, I do it all the
I
time.
don't like that.
I do it all the time with this one.
50%.
Bring it by a low and slow, Johnny.
Time remaining 2 minutes. 50%. G limit disengaged.
Did you just tell? You just like.
And then I saw that F9.
What?
Just high rate pull ups.
Yeah.
That F9. And I have a little 64.
Zero throttle.
Big and I got it last Thursday.
50%.
Yeah, yesterday. That's good point. That's good to do.
55%. 50%.
But you know,
Gear
it's
10.
not like I'm going fast.
Gear down. Landing flaps.
Well, if you're conservative with the throttle, you'll have more.
25%.
Well, it goes very nice, like around 65%.
Zero
It's-
for
it's not as
25%.
fast as I want it to go, you know.
Hey, you don't have to blindfold.
Zero throttle.
Carrier landing. Got it.
I just say that.
Magnetically
20
attached,
seconds.
though, I can just pull it off.
25%.
Oh, really?
Zero throttle. 20.
Oh, he rinsed off the tires.
25%.
Kamikaze going up.
50%. Gear up.